How's it going, guys? Willis here. I'm going to start off this video with a news flash. Today is September 28th, 2019. So this is like the second to the last date of regular season baseball. And Pete Alonso just got his 53rd home run. So congratulations to Pete Alonso. I'm not a Mets fan, but for guys like him, he's a good guy. He's a good player. He's a good rookie, and congratulations to him. I think he's gonna break a lot of records later on in his career. I'm happy for him. So congrats, 53rd home runs. Anyways, so today we have Archives Baseball 2019. Yeah, this came out a few weeks ago. I just didn't get a chance to pick this up, but I finally did, and so I'm gonna open this for you guys. This has 24 packs in this box, and 8 cards per pack. So if you do the math, it's about 196 cards, and then this is the retail price. I got cheaper than the retail price, but the retail price is around $110. So, and if you quickly do a math there, it's about 57 cents per card. So this is what the box looks like. That, and that. Okay, so let me get my scissors and let's open this up. So maybe what I'm thinking about doing is later on I may do a video dedicated to Pete Alonso, because throughout the season I started to collect Pete Alonso cards. So I don't have a lot, but I have a few. So I may be later, maybe in a week or two, maybe I'll do a video showcasing all my Pete Alonso cards. Anyways, so let me just take all the cards out. So there are a lot of packs in this hobby box. I'm gonna get rid of the box here. All right, I hope this stays. There we go. All right, first pack. So this is what the pack looks like. So it says featuring 50th anniversary of Montreal Expos cards. Interesting. And the odds is right here. You can see it. All right, first pack. Since there are a lot of cards, I'm gonna do this relatively quickly. Ooh, Tatis Jr. Nice. So I'm gonna put that aside. That's a good hit for the first pack. So Nick Senzel. By the way, these are not real autograph. It's just reproduction of the autograph. I guess that's how it used to be. Used to have back in the 70s or 80s. They have print on autograph of the players. So like this one too. Jacob deGrom, John Smoltz, Dakota Hudson. Very nice. This one's a little shinier. Very nice. That's what the back looks like. And this one's a short print. Anyways, so that's that. The rest we went over already. Okay, next one. Reggie Jackson, A-Rod. Okay. Ooh. Next one. Tony Gwynn. Future star Juan Soto. Francisco Lindor. There you go, Montreal Expos. Yes, there has been some talk about Expos coming back. I don't know if that's possible or not, because they're talking about expansion teams, expansion in MLB, and Vegas being one of the potential expansion team location, but always been rumors, but nothing has solidified yet. Even rumors saying that at the end of this season, maybe there will be some plan of expansion that will reveal which team or which city is going to get an expansion team. So we'll see. Rainers, Ichiro, Ramirez, Babe Ruth, nice. All right. Excellent. Jake Bauer, rookie. DeGrom again. Ashburn. Ah, that's nice. Looks like a magazine cover here. Springer. Very nice. Okay. Muncie. Venterias. 4. (2019) rookie Luis Urias. Nice rookie car. Trea Turner. Eller from Braves rookie. Cole Tucker from Pirates rookie. Oh, nice. I think this is the first autograph from Steve Sachs. Okay, it's got a gold foil print on in the corner there. Very nice. Steve Sachs from Dodgers. On-car autograph. Very nice. O'Hearn, rookie. Another Expos. Okay. Hira, rookie. Rowdy Tellez, rookie. (2011) highlights. Jeter's 3,000 hit club, or joins the 3,000 hit club. Very nice. Kyle Tucker is a solid hitter. Kyle Tucker, I've been seeing him a lot lately for Astros. Okay, Santana. All right. Austin Riley. Scherzer. Garrett. Duplanter, Boyd, Feller, another Topps magazine cover, Aaron Judge. Oh, unfortunately, your record has been beaten. 52 home run, so 52 homers in 2017, so now the record is 53 by Pete Alonso, unless he hits another home run tomorrow. I think tomorrow is the last day of regular season, so that's that. Corbin Burns, rookie. Let's see another rookie here, Duplantier. Right. Okay. Soda, Kramer, Mookie Betts, Elton, Rodriguez, Altuve, Abreu. Kramer is actually a rookie there. Oh, right. Freeman, Smoke, Stewart from Orioles, rookie. Juan Soto, Slider, Brandon Nemo, Mazzara from Rangers, Kenning. Pack, we're about halfway done. Okay, Will Meyer, Anderson, Yelich, Aaron Judge. Okay, rookie Joseph Sheffield. Doer, Bobby Doer. Sorry if I mispronounced the name. Okay, so that's that. Rizzo, I believe he's hurt. So unfortunately he's missing the rest of the regular season. And same as this guy, Mike Trout, who also got hurt. Taylor, Stroman, Chris Shaw, rookie. Shohei Ohtani, I don't believe that's a real autograph. That's a print on it. Brett Bogarts. Okay. Okay, Robinson. De Los Santos, rookie. Kayla Ichiro. Oh, I like this card. Mariners. Very nice looking card. It's a little bit different from other ones. Put this right here. Keys. Oh, right. Move on to the next one. Kyle Wright, rookie. Luis Severino. Okay. Ronaldo, Jake Bowers, rookie. Actually, that's a rookie too. All right. Schreiber, Gordon, Tommy Pham, Kipun, rookie. Luis Urias, rookie. Piazza. Alright. On to the next. Almost there, guys. Randy Johnson, Ted Williams, Matsui, Josh James, rookie from Astro, Kopech, also rookie, Juan Soto, Topps magazine cover, okay, got 6 more packs left. Alright. Trevor Bauer, Rich Hader, Blackon, Aaron Judge, Cedric Mullins, rookie, Clemens, okay, Johnny Bench, Shohei Ohtani, Deion Sanders, another magazine cover, Rhys Hoskins, Corey Seager. Alright. Albert Pujols, Ty Cobb, Quantrill, rookie from Padres, Willie Adams from Rays. Alright, last 3 packs. I'm gonna just open all 3 of them. So that's that. Alright. Byron Buxton, Polanco, Walker Buehler. This is a nice card. Expos. Bill Golison, pitcher. Matthews. Donald Guzman. Hosmer. Oh, here's another autograph. Vernon Wells. Vernon Wells. This is what the back looks like. Oh, it's on actually number 66 out of 99. Alright. Very nice. Cool. Very cool. Votto, Arcia, Josh Bell, Ozzy Albies, Brett Keller, Ichiro, Jeanette, Senegar, and Upton. Alright, so that's that. Let me just go over all the cards here, mostly this special stack, as I call it, mostly are rookies. So the first autograph is right there. Well, actually, that was the second one that I pulled, and the rest are rookie cards. So that, and then we got another. Where did it go? Another autograph right here. Steve Sachs. So 2 autograph there. So the rest are just rookie cards. You know, I didn't really check the back. Maybe some of these rookie cards are maybe like, you know, serial numbered. But anyways, that's that. Archives 2019 Topps Archives. Please subscribe. Please like this video and put any comments you want. And until next time, I'll have a good one, guys.